always pinpoint the change of season, spring. Why? Baseball opening day, which, we weren't even certain if we would have an opening day, but we have it. Technically, the Yankees got pushed back to Saturday, and I'm pretty sure I'm getting this out to you guys ahead of that. So, pickups to me, but we're talking about, it feels like 2015, 2016 again. It feels that way. Why? Because Yeezy is re-releasing for the first time, not only the Turtledove, but we'll see the zebra again. But more importantly, the Turtledove is coming back. And yeah, is it going to feel like 2015, 2016? Is it going to look like that time? As long as we don't bring back a million different fake versus real zebras, I'm fine with that.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and
All right, everybody, it's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ. And if we're just assessing the landscape right now for 2022, at least going through these first few months, maybe the first half, I won't lie, you can kind of give this one to Yeezy now. I'm sure as we hit summer, that stride heading into fall, Jordan Brand will surely hit. It'll be full speed and running. Just me personally, that's just my thought. I would love to get your thought though. Like right now, looking ahead for all of the releases that have come out, where do you stand? Like where would you kind of rank them right now? Yeezy, Nike, Jordan, New Balance, we definitely got to throw them in the mix. So just go ahead and comment below. Who do you think has really taken like Q1 of 2022 and Q2? What do you think is happening? How do you kind of gauge the field and the landscape right now? And I'll be honest, we had this discussion a little while back on Twitter, and it was brought up that, hey, Yeezy doesn't necessarily do like the storytelling that you see so many other collabs or brands go through to sell his shoes, and they still sell out. Is that something that should be talked about? And I actually think that's part of, that's a genius reality that he doesn't have to do the storytelling. If we go past maybe the biblical names of some of the shoes, and of course they are there, you can reference them, you can research them, they're sometimes very difficult to say and pronounce, but that's present, and that has a deep reverence for him and his faith. But what other stories are being told with these? Nothing. But when you think of 2015, 2016, don't tell me you don't think of Yeezy. I know you do. June 2015, it's like when it all changed, because that damn Turtledove came out, and I'm pretty sure that's all we saw on the internet. I wasn't even like heavily posting a whole lot in terms of shoes or anything. I think most of what I was posting on my Instagram was a lot of fitness stuff, but I just remember a ton of Turtledoves. I was still watching YouTube at that time, a ton of Turtledoves, the track pants. Just know that that's coming back. Like, be fully aware that's coming back. And then, of course, Zebra followed up behind that with the V2 model, not the V1. That's restocked a few times on its own, and it's crazy because the only conversation that kept coming up past 2015, 2016, like 2018, 2019, Yeezys are dead, Yeezys are dead, Yeezys are dead, huh? So he seems to still be doing okay right now. Shoes are still selling out. Like, think about this. For all of the restocks that have occurred for the Wave Runner, there are still people in my comments, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Twitter, whether it's here on YouTube, that they still haven't won an actual pair via a raffle, a pickup, anything. So to say that it's dead, that would mean the shoes aren't selling, and that's not the case. Now, when most people say dead, I just think because you can't make $200, $300 off of that pair or much more, because you can make so much more back in the day in those 2015, 2016 days, because it was difficult. Like, that was part of the reason wanting to chase down Yeezys. Even if they were appealing to you, you had to weigh the stress and the hassle of trying to get a pair. It wasn't for the faint of heart then. And so many models now and colorways that are coming out, it's like confirmed only, and like confirmed has loved me once, and that's for that basketball knit pair. That's really it. So I think there's still a lot of love for the zebra, tons of love for the Turtledove if you've never owned it, and this is kind of a chance to get the OGs in your collection. And quite honestly, we also received that news that Kanye will drop, or I hope this happens, that the Pirate Black 350 V1 will also drop, and that was actually probably more love than the Turtledove because it's black on black. You can wear it with anything. Think about this. He can continue to reach back into the archives once a year, twice a year, and that'll send people into a frenzy even more than probably a lot of other brand new, never seen models. Or he could just continue to give us like new colorways or some neutral colorways of some of the very polarizing looks. And when I say polarizing, I mean the knit runner, but then also the Yeezy knit boot. Now, again, polarizing. People either really hate those models or they really love them. Keep the foam runner. I want zero parts of that, but love the knit runner, and I will have the recent colorway here very soon. I plan to wear the hell out of that shoe, but then also zebra, absolutely such just a great colorway. As the name states, it's just a zebra. It's a black and white shoe. I can get why the zebra has a hold on people. Someone please comment. I need to know, why does this plastic Dunklo Panda have such a hold? It is the strongest chokehold I think I've ever seen in a time period where you have so many other options. Why is this Dunklo Panda it? I just don't understand. I mean, I don't really want to see beat down, you know, really abused Air Force One lows. I don't want to see those either, but I'm just so over the Panda craze right now. So thank goodness the zebra is coming back out. I'm all for seeing a lot of those on foot. So grab your Tiro 19, 21, whatever number pants you want to grab. I would actually say switch it up, get some olive ones, check on eBay, thank me later. Pick up those because I fully intend to rock my olive pants. I'm going to throw on my Yankees fitted and get ready to enjoy just some baseball, spring, brand new pairs. Lot of love for them still. And go ahead, please comment your thoughts on the return of not only the zebra, but the highly anticipated Turtledove 350 V1. Or would you rather just wait for 2023 and get the Pirate Black coming back out? I appreciate you guys always. Also, comment your baseball team below if you're into baseball. If you're not, you know, that's perfectly okay. NBA playoffs soon to come, and then the WNBA starts. So I'm in heaven. And shout out again to the South Carolina Gamecocks, because man, Dawn Staley's team was amazing. That was so fun to watch. And shout out to Kansas. Men, you won. I was rooting for North Carolina. But amazing sports just ahead of us. Sneakers ahead of us. Great time. Zero complaints. Please be sure to sound off. Again, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.